In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change guns in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to purchase and equip new guns in Hunter Call of the Wild, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to do this. So you will be able to get new weapons by going over to any store on any available outpost. If you already have the weapon purchased, and you just want to equip it, then skip ahead. But if you still need to acquire new weapons, then like I said, you can visit any outpost and go to the store. You will get some free weapons free of charge when you start the game, but eventually you will need to get better gear. So all that you have to do is go to an outpost or tent, open up the cache, and choose the store tab. In here, you will be able to browse through all of the weapon types. So they have rifles, handguns, shotguns, and bows. You will be able to purchase them for the listed price. You can compare all of the statistics and choose whichever one you prefer. Once you have purchased this, remember to get ammunition as well. So, to actually equip this weapon, first, make sure that you drag it from the store into your storage. And you will be able to manage it from the storage into your inventory. Once the weapon has been placed inside of your actual inventory, you will be able to find it on your character. So now you can equip it into the weapon wheel. The weapon wheel is the primary way to manage the items that you have. So now exit out of the outpost and open your standard inventory. If you go over to the weapons category, you will see all of them listed here. So you have some icons, you have the types, so rifle, shotguns, handguns, and so on. And all that you have to do is select a specific one and then drag it into any of the slots available in your weapon wheel. By dragging it into the weapon wheel, you are now ready to use it. So the button to highlight or use this weapon will be displayed here. So as you can see in this example, to use this weapon, we would have to press 1. So just press the specified button and you can manage your wheel however you prefer. You can also change the hotkeys as you can see here. And after it has been equipped, you can do the same thing with ammo. So you just select it here and then you can drag it into any valid weapon. I hope I was able to help you on how to change guns in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.